So for our demo, we will use three groups, vacation groups, which you can see on our display. And also, Anya have sent you this document for our vacation demo. So we have, yes?
Before the demo,
So we will start from case 1 and 3 groups. I've put all the limits for these groups already in PFC, and already 2 employees took vacation and 1 employee took day off. So, and we will look for other employees to check whether they can take vacations and day offs. So let's start from parent group. Here, employee can take or 1 vacation or 1 day off for this day exactly, or 2 day offs for the rest of days. So I will take employee 23M1S. Open vacations menu. And here we see that he can take 1 vacation for this week, and it is not blocked for April. And also take day offs for this day and also for other days, so they are not blocked. To the next group. Here also 1 vacation or 1 day off for this day or for other days also. So I will take employee 17M1S. Vacations, we see he can take vacation this week, and also for the concerning day offs, he also can take days off. Now we move forward to the next group, and here employees will not be able to take vacation on this week, but also days off on this day or other days. So let's check this. Employee 21M1S. As we can see, he has blocked me on 13th of April, but still he can take day offs within this week. So we can see that within this week he can take days off. So with case 1, we finished. Let's move to case 1. Here we, just like the next step, we also took day off by employee 21M1S from the second child group. Here we just have 21M1S. I take a day off on the same day. Now we should also approve this day in order to check limits. So by manager, I go to single day off approval screen. Here I find this day, it's employee 21M1S for 15th of April. I set status approved. day approved. Now we again return to case 1.1, and for this exact day, 10th of April, none of employees can take days off. Also, according to this case, none of employees will be able to take vacation. So let's check this. So we see that vacation week is employee from parent group. So this exact day, 15th of April, is also blocked. This employee from parent group. Now we'll take employee from child 1. We will use employee 17L1S. Also vacation on this week. And also he has blocked this exact date, 15th of April. And the last one, it's the next child, the second child group. Here we will use employee 22L1S. He also has blocked vacation on week this week. And also he has blocked this exact day, the 15th of April. Now we can move to the next case, and the next case will have overrides for this week. Before we start, I will do this overrides in VAC. Override will be for the parent group. This will screen manage weekly settings and this group. Go to this week and set override values. So for parent group, we've done this. The next group will be overridden to child 2. Nutrition's lower level labeling, shift 1. It's 1, 2. So this week and all other data remain the same, and as we have overridden values for the parent group, these values should be used only for this group. Therefore, for this group, employees will have 5 more open slots, and these 5 more open slots can be used in the following way: or 4 vacations and 1 day off. It's again for this day, or 5 day offs for this day, or 3 vacations and 2 days off for this day, or 2 vacations and 3 days off for this day. And let's take some employee and check whether this week and day off are enabled for him. So let's So we see that after overriding to this parent group, employees from parent group can take more vacations. And also requested this day off 15th of April is enabled currently, and employees can take days off. Now we go to the next group. It wasn't overridden. Nothing changed for this group, and we will check now if correct. Use employees 17, 1, and 1. Yes. So we see that the vacation week is still blocked. See that this exact date, the 15th of April, is still blocked for employees from this group. Now we can move forward to the next group, which was also overridden. As we see, overridden value 1 and 2, 1 for vacation and 2 for day offs. So we have one more open slot for days off. So employees from this group can take one more day off. Let's check this. We see that this day become enabled to these employees. Really, employees from this group can take one more day off, but also check that vacations are still blocked. So we see that really the week for vacations is still blocked. Now we can move forward to the next case. It's a case with weekly override and also daily override. So we have the same week with the same overrides weekly, but also we will override one day. It's the 14th of April for the second child group. So I will do this override. So this I will open screen manage daily settings. And this group, it's a nutrition's lower level labeling suit. Here I need to find this day. So it's 14th of April. And I set 0. Will be overridden to 0. So I override it. As we see, as for this day, we've override it to 0. This means that just employees from this group will not be able to take any days off on this day, the 14th of April. The rest should be remain the same. So we will check whether employees from this child group will not be able to take any days off on 14th of April, but they will still be able to take day offs on 15th of April, as it was in the previous case. So it's employee from this group, and we see that 15th of April, which was overridden to 0, is blocked. Employee can't take day off on this day, but 15th of April is still enabled as there is one more open slot to this day, and also the other days remain enabled as still there are open slots for them. So overridden value with to show you. Maybe you have some